Well, we couldn't continue the gorgeousness that was happening this weekend.
I know.
A little gloomy today, but I mean,
yeah.
It's not raining right now.
That's
not
true.
right now.
That's
It's not a blizzard. You want me to go through the list?
It could be worse. We've seen worse. But you know what? It gets much better later this week. We'll see more sun and highs in the 70s Thursday and Friday. Right now, though, just pretty gloomy. We have a lot of cloud cover, but it is mainly dry across the area. It's 74 degrees in Central Park. We also have a breeze out of the east. Currently, we're mainly in the upper 60s and the lower 70s. So in the Bronx, 73. Ozone Park, 71. Whitestone, you're at 74. The same in White Plains, Newark, up to 76, and Sussex, 73. This is the setup. So there's some moisture off to the west in Pennsylvania and upstate, but that is not impacting us. We have high pressure settled nearby. So looking at the timing on Futurecast, just a small chance for a stray shower, mainly north and west of New York City throughout this afternoon, but overall fairly quiet and cloudy. Overnight, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Through tomorrow morning, we could start out early Tuesday with a chance for a few isolated showers, so that could impact morning commute in some spots. I'm not expecting widespread rainfall. And just more of the same throughout Tuesday afternoon, just a chance for a few pop-up isolated showers. Most of the rain tomorrow will be on the lighter side. Wednesday morning towards sunrise, we start out dry, but after sunrise, that's when we'll have a batch of rain coming in right now. Looks like we'll see most of the moisture late Wednesday morning towards noon, and some of the rain early Wednesday could be heavy. Also, here's the latest in the tropics. So Tropical Storm Idalia, that has maximum sustained winds near 65 miles per hour. That will continue to move north and actually rapidly intensify as that moves throughout the Gulf of Mexico. The latest track has it making landfall as a Category 3 hurricane early Wednesday morning in between Tallahassee and Tampa. That will weaken as it moves inland across southern Georgia. That will ride along the coast of South Carolina and North Carolina Wednesday into Thursday. And by Friday, that moves well offshore. So for us, that means we stay mainly dry at the very most. We can have additional clouds pushing into southern New Jersey. The latest for Hurricane Franklin, a Category 4 hurricane right now, that will track off to the northeast. As that slides north of Bermuda, that will be a Category 3 hurricane that stays well offshore, but it will still be close enough to lead to an elevated risk for rip currents. Something to keep in mind if you have any plans on heading to the beach sometime this week. Today, 78 degrees, more clouds than sun, a stray shower north and west. Overnight, we dip down to around 67 degrees, mostly cloudy, with an easterly breeze around 7 to 14 miles per hour. Tomorrow, 76, so just a few degrees cooler, more cloud cover, and we'll have to dodge a few showers throughout the day. For the rest of the 7-day forecast, we get off to a wet start to Wednesday, but Wednesday afternoon, we start to dry out. We'll have a high of 80 degrees. Look at Thursday and Friday, really just the nicest days of the 7-day forecast, especially Thursday, 75, sunny. Friday, 78 degrees, lower humidity. Looking ahead to the weekend, we will see high temperatures around 80 to 81 degrees.
Can I say, snazzy new graphics?
Thank you.
Look good.
Nice little upgrade.
The 7-day could have looked. Just kidding.
First the weather, then she's criticizing the graphics. Oh, happy Monday.
Yes.
Coming up on Eyewitness News at noon, scary moments at Daytona International Speedway when a car spun out and flipped time after time in the air.
Plus why a hot air balloon unexpectedly landed on a highway in Vermont. The whole thing caught on camera.